What up, YouTube reptile lovers? I am back with another video. Alright, y'all, real quick. This will be a non-reptile related video. As you guys see, got me a new car. So I wanted you guys to check that out. All that hard work is paid off. Your boy's doing his thing. Woo! That motherfucker's so goddamn pretty. Ooh, you guys don't even know what I've been through in my life, my story to get this beautiful thing. Ooh, this motherfucker's so goddamn pretty. Alright, you guys, let's go on and get inside, man. Check this thing out. Let you guys check this thing out. So come on with your boy. Quick tour on the inside of my car, my new car. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube. We are inside my car. Let's go and get it started up. Good. Yeah, this thing's so beautiful. So, quick little details on her. This is a 2016 Chrysler 300S. Full leather. Got my little son's car seat back there. You know how it is. Leathered out. Sunroof. Let's open you up real quick. There you go. I love this thing. Yes, sir. Yeah, y'all. Your boy's been on his grind, something serious, man. Hard work really pays off. I'm gonna pull up at the reptile shows like, what's happening? Full navigation, backup screen, the whole nine. I'm still learning this damn thing. I'm gonna be, yeah, life is good, y'all. Look at that. Heated seats. Got your navy. Dope, dope, dope. More apps, and you can add apps on here. I was actually thinking if I can add some the apps that go with my security system. Wi-Fi, all that shit. Yeah, I gotta learn all this shit, y'all. This shit is, man, it's been a minute since I had me a new whip. We got the satellite radio, phone ready, cool. Yeah, this is my baby. Oh, let me step out so you guys can see a little bit. Shout out to Carmex. I said Carmex. Carmax. Excuse me. There it is, y'all. There it is. Oh. Go for a quick little drive. Let's take it up the street real quick. housing community. It is a beautiful day outside too, y'all. Beautiful day. Yeah, and that will be it, man. Hit down in them comments, man. Let me know what your boy think, man. Let me know what you think. We got a hell of a deal on him. This car only has 11,000 miles. Oh man, yes sir, man. Hell of a come up. Hell of a come up. Drop them comments down below, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. It's my new whip, man. 2020. Starting it off right. All me. Oh, man. We taking the kids out. We're gonna hit that beach. We're gonna pull up at them reptile shows. Can't wait. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. This is another thing that actually looks like. Man, no more no goddamn joystick or no shit like that. That luxury shit. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm in this video, man. I'm gonna keep them videos coming for y'all, man. But I wanted you guys to check this out. Man, this is like, I know for some y'all just be like, oh, it's just a new whip. And I ain't just showing it off, man. I have worked my ass off, man. Excuse my language, but I have worked my ass off to get this car. You understand? I have been grinding. Basically, my only transportation was basically a motorcycle forever. Saved my money up. Purchased me a brand new whip. We grind in 2020. Yes, sir. This is a major accomplishment for your boy. Also, by the way, the entire car is lit up with the Beast by Dre. Hold up, I'm gonna actually pop the shirt so y'all can see that. Them good old beats. Good old beats. Entire system is lit up with it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna end this video. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate all the support, man. All the new subscribers. Welcome to the Golden Fam. Check out all your boys' videos. I got a gang of videos up to all my new subscribers. Make sure you give this video a good old thumbs up. And I'm out, man. I'm about to bend some corners. Maybe go pick up Alex, Elijah, JT. Go bend some corners in this thing. I'm out, y'all. Peace.